Hey, today I'm going to share 5 essential leadership behaviors you'll need if you want to be a successful leader. Ready to get started? Let's do this. According to research mentioned in Psychology Today, about 1/3 of leaders are born that way, and about 2/3 learn how to become successful leaders. So if you're in the 2/3, welcome to the club. Here are 5 behaviors you can learn in order to become a great team leader, mentor, or executive. Step number 1, don't complain, don't explain. Great leaders lead by example. How do they do that? They deliver results consistently. And if they have a misstep, they don't complain and they don't explain. They own it and make changes to make sure it doesn't happen again. Step number 2, be firm but fair. Great leaders have to make tough decisions, but as long as those decisions are based on clear guidelines and are fair, you'll gain respect for making them. Leaders lose respect when they make random or unfair decisions, but gain respect when they're firm but fair. Step 3, seek to understand. When you have to mentor, coach, or even discipline team members, your first job is to understand how they think. Great leaders ask what instead of why. When you ask, why did you miss the deadline? It comes across as accusatory. But when you ask, what were the circumstances that led you to miss the deadline? You come across as thoughtful and less judgmental. Remember, don't ask why, ask what. Step 4, practice humility. 2 of the best bosses I ever had were always the smartest people in the room as well as the most humble. Let that sink in for a minute. You're the smartest person in the room, and yet you have the sense to know that people don't respond well to arrogance. The combinations of brains and humiliated created a sense of trust for those executives. Step 5, focus the spotlight on others. Great leaders don't shine the light on themselves. Instead, they focus a spotlight on their team members. When you point the light on a team member instead of yourself, some of that glow still shines on you. But more importantly, you build a sense of loyalty and teamwork with the members of your team. I hope you like what we've covered today. If you want to watch more videos like this one, click here and you'll be able to continue watching. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and a speaker, and I'll catch you next time.